What about anchoring this playful frequency more deeply, making it more of a default state?
Default, not just a temporary fix.
This is where intentional energetic anchoring comes in. Visualization is powerful here, not just for seeing outcomes, but for deeply feeling and stabilizing a desired frequency in the body.
Making it a felt sense, not just a concept.
Exactly. So let's take a few moments to do this now. If you can, find a comfortable position, maybe sitting upright but relaxed. Uncross your arms, uncross your legs. Just allow your body to be open. Go ahead and gently close your eyes if that feels comfortable for you. Let's start with a nice, slow, deep breath. Breathing in through your nose, really let your belly expand, filling up. Hold it gently for just a count. And now, exhale slowly through your mouth, maybe with a little sigh, releasing any tightness in your jaw, your shoulders, letting it go.
Now, in your imagination, just allow a sense of soft, warm, perhaps golden light to gently surround you. And notice a subtle shift in the atmosphere around you. It feels lighter, charged, maybe almost humming, with a quiet sense of ease and possibility. You find yourself walking into a beautiful, sunlit space. Maybe it looks like a playground or a lovely park. The ground beneath your feet feels springy, supportive. The air feels fresh and alive.
And somewhere in this space, you notice a swing set. One of the swings seems to gently glow, just for you. It looks inviting, buoyant, safe. Go ahead and imagine yourself sitting down on that swing, feeling it perfectly support you. Maybe rest your hands lightly on the chains. There's no need to push or strive here. Just lean back slightly and feel a natural, gentle rhythm begin. The swing starts to move effortlessly forward and back. You're riding the gentle momentum of pure alignment.
Feel that easy rhythm. Forward. But there's no effort required from you at all. It's like the universe itself is providing the gentle push. The world is doing the work. As you swing gently forward, imagine you're breathing in possibility, breathing in trust, breathing in the feeling of joyful expectation.
And as you swing gently back, imagine you're breathing out any resistance, breathing out doubt, breathing out the old need to force things, letting it all dissolve into the light. Just feel the sensation of ease flowing through you. A sense of lightness. Maybe even a quiet inner smile or a gentle bubbling feeling of amusement in your chest. Your nervous system recognizes this state. This feels like home.
And as you continue to swing, maybe feeling yourself go a little higher with each easy sway, picture that warm, golden, joyful vibration expanding out from your heart, filling the space around you. Pure coherence. Radiating ease. Notice how the whole playground, the whole space around you seems to get brighter, more vibrant, responding to your rising frequency. Your joy isn't just contained within you, it ripples outward. It's expansive.
Take one more slow, deep breath right here. Really anchoring this feeling, this truth into your body. Alignment is allowing. Joy is expansive. This feeling state is your natural frequency.
And when you're ready, just gently bring your awareness back to the room you're in. Maybe wiggle your fingers and toes. Keep carrying that feeling of lightness, that buoyant, playful undercurrent with you as you slowly open your eyes.